Well, welcome everyone. I'm Steve Arnold. I'm the treasurer of Bike Fitchburg and the secretary of the Wisconsin Bike Fed. And we're here in Southdale Park in a part of the town of Madison that will soon become part of Fitchburg. And we are very grateful to be here today to accept a gift from Wheel and Sprocket and the Chris Kegel Foundation. And here to present the gift to the city is Adam Clark, General Manager of the Fitchburg Wheel and Sprocket store. And I'll have Adam describe what you're giving to the city and your objectives for that gift.
Thanks, Steve. So Wheel and Sprocket is a pretty incredible company, very human forward. The reason I moved here was because they have the reputation of being a very human forward company. The Chris Kegel Foundation believes that bicycles make the world a better place, and how better to make bicycling better than to have something like this for the whole community to be able to enjoy. It's a bike stand, it's a work stand, it's got all the tools you need. Come on by and check it out. You'll be able to hang your bike up here, inflate your tires, work on anything that you need on your bike fixed. If you need help with that, obviously Wheel and Sprocket in the Madison area can help you out.
Just point out that in addition to the public repair stand with the pump, they also donated bicycle parking for the park and for visitors here. Now, His Honor, Mayor Aaron Richardson of Fitchburg.
First, I just want to say thank you to Wheel and Sprocket, the Chris Kegel Foundation as well. It's wonderful that we're able to, even before this is part of Fitchburg, be able to start making a difference here in this community. It's about a month away now where this becomes Fitchburg officially, and we're excited to have this as part of Fitchburg, to be honest. It's a great neighborhood. It's got a ton of potential. It's growing, and really hope to help it thrive. That's really key for us, and part of it is making parks like this even better than they are now. In Fitchburg, biking is incredibly important to us, and this is a big piece of that. We are hopefully going to be a gold bike-friendly community in the next few months here. We're currently silver, and right now there's only a handful of communities in the state that can make that claim. So biking is incredibly important to us, making sure people can get out and be active. Biking is a big part of that, and that's really part of our goal as a city. And since this is now going to be Fitchburg in a month, it's incredibly important that this is part of that and part of that network as well. So again, thank you. Also, thank you to Bike Fitchburg and for the bike committee at Fitchburg as well for all the work that they do, not only for this, but for all the projects in biking in Fitchburg. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, Mayor. Bike Fitchburg is the local advocacy group for Fitchburg. We lobby the administration and city council and mayor to try to make biking safer, more accessible, and more fun in Fitchburg. If that's something that's interesting to you, please join us at bikefitchburg.org on the web. And now I would just invite everyone here to let's have a hand of applause for the Kegel Foundation and Wheel and Sprocket. Thank you all for coming out today.